So previous classes example number 1 is completed. Now example number 2. Example number 2. Convert 6 radian into degree measure. 6 radian. Convert 6 radian into degree measure. डिग्री में कन्वर्ट करनी है and given in terms of radian. So since pi radian is equal to 180 degree, so therefore 1 radian is equal to 180 by pi, 180 by pi degree. Therefore 6 radian is equal to 180 by pi into 6. And since the value of pi is what? 22 by 7 in radian form, and the value of pi is equal to 180 degree in degree form, but it is a radian form. So put pi is equal to 22 by 7 because the value of pi in radian form is 22 by 7. So put value pi. So 180 by 22 by 7 become there into 6. Now simplify. So 2 11 ja and 2 90. Now multiply it. So 90 into 7 6 ja 42 by 11. Now multiply 42 into 9, 0, 9 2 ja 18, 8 carry 1, 9 for 36 and 1, 37 by 11. This is degree, 3780 by 11 degree. This is a fractional form. So divide 3780 by 11. 3780 divided by 11. So 11 3 ja 33, carry 4, that is minus. So 4 48, 11 4 ja 44, 4 then 0, 11 3 ja 33. So remainder is 7. Therefore this quotient in terms of degree, that is 340 degree, and remaining term is 7, remainder is 7. This also 7 degree, 7 means 7 degree because this whole term in a degree form. So 7 also degree. This convert it into minute. So since 1 degree is equal to 60 minute, so this equal to 7 into 60, that is 420 minute. Yes, 7 क्या है degree, convert it into minute. So this is 720 as 6 into 7 into 60, that is 42 minute. Now this 42 divided by 11. So 11 42, this is 42. Now divide by 11. This is a degree. So 11 3 ja 33, that is 12, 9 and 0. Now divide 11 8 ja 88, carry 2. So this is 38 minute. Ab here remainder is less than the divisor. So now convert it into second, and since 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds, so this is equal to 2 into 60, that is 120 second. So now divide 120 by 11, divide कर दीजिए. So 11 1 जा 11, 11 1 ja, that is 120 second. 11 1 ja 11, carry 1, 0, not divide. So write here 0, 1 write, not divide, write 0, then point, then 0. So 11 9 ja, that is 11 9 ja 99. So divided here 10.9 approx, remainder is 1 also. So this is the approx value, 10.9 second, approx value is 11. अभी और रिमाइंडर जा रहा है ना, 99 कैरी 1, that is greater than 10.9 second, approx value 11. So this is equal to 343 degree 38 minute and 11 second approx value. So this is in the degree form. And example number now 3. Example number 3. What is example number 3? Example number 3. Example 3 is find the radius of the circle in which a central angle 60 degree. Central angle. This is a circle. Central angle. This is a central angle 60 degree. And find radius. Radius suppose R. So R find करनी, R unknown term. Intercept an arc of length 37.4 centimeter. Length of arc. Suppose length of arc AB. So length of arc denoted by L. So here L is equal to given 37.4 centimeter. And here given U is pi is equal to 22/7. Find the value of R. So what is the relation between L, theta and R? Here theta given 60 degree. Convert it into radian form. So since theta is equal to 60 degree, and this can written 60 into pi by 180 radian. So cut from 60, that is 3. So pi by 3 radian. So theta is equal to pi by 3. Now find R. So use formula. Since theta is equal to L by R, that is R is equal to L by theta. So put value. So what is L? L 37.4 and theta pi by 3. This 3 becomes numerator. So 37.4 into 3 and pi is equal to 22/7. This 7 also taking numerator. So this equal to 37.4 into 3 into 7 divided by 22. Now divide by 11. 11 2 ja 22 and 11 3 ja 33. Carry 4, 44, 11 4 ja. Now divide by 2 also. That is 1.7. So multiply it and its product is 1.7 into 3 into 7 is equal to product value is 35.7 centimeter. Multiply कर दोगे सबको. So this is the radius. So in theta is equal to L by R is formula में any two term given, then find the remaining term, and you remember put the value of theta in radian form, not degree form. Now next example. Example number 4. Example number 4. Fourth is the minute hand of a watch is 1.5 centimeter. Minute hand of a watch. Suppose this is a watch whose minute hand given 1.5 centimeter. How far does it takes move in 40 minutes? Suppose here 12, 3, 6, 9. Suppose this is a minute hand. This is a minute hand. center, and whose length is given 1.5 centimeter, that is this is the radius, is length given 1.5 centimeter. So this is the radius, that is r given 1.5 centimeter. How far does it tips move in 40 minutes? So after 40 minutes, minute hand gives at point where? After 40 minutes, after 30 minutes, that is at 6, after 35 minutes 7, after 40 minutes 8, that is this minute hand moves at point 8 after 40 minutes. So angle made, this angle, shift by clockwise. Suppose this point here is A and this point suppose B. So length of arc is AB. So let length shift by minute hand is equal to L, that is length of arc AB suppose L. ये suppose की, that is the length shift by minute hand in 40 minutes is equal to L, that is length of arc is equal to suppose L, and the radius given. Then what is the find? How far does it tips? Okay, L find, L unknown, and here only one r value given and L unknown, theta is also not given. So find the value first theta. For calculating of theta, since this minute hand moves 60 minutes in whole one round, in 60 minutes this minute hand move in one round, that is this minute hand makes angle 2 pi, that is 360 degree at the center in 60 minutes. मिनट हैंड 60 मिनट पूरा एक राउंड मूव कर गया ना, तो होल एंगल कितना बनेगा 360 डिग्री, दैट इज मिनट हैंड मेक्स 360 डिग्री एट द सेंटर इन 60 मिनट. सिंस मिनट हैंड्स makes 360 degree, that is 2 pi radian, makes angle 2 pi in 60 minute. ठीक है. minute hand here, what is find? Here find length of arc, that is L. So first find theta. So minute hand, since minute hand makes angle 2 pi in 60 minutes, therefore angle made by in 40 minutes, or therefore angle made by in 1 minute is equal to what? 60 minutes 2 pi, 1 minute, that is 2 pi by 60. 2 pi by 60. So angle made by in 40 minutes, therefore angle made by in 40 minutes is equal to 2 pi by 60 into 40. ठीक है, by unitary method. This cancel, 2 cancel 3. So this equal to 4 pi by 3. This is the angle, that is this is the value of theta. So here theta is equal to 4 pi by 3. Now find L. Since theta is equal to L by R, or L is equal to R theta. So what is R? R 1.5 and theta is 4 pi by 3. Here pi value given, pi given 3.14. So here is the value of pi. Here 3 cancel also, that is 0.5. So this equal to 0.5 plus 4 into pi, that is 3.14. Now multiply it. If multiply, then we get 66.28 centimeter. This is the length of arc, that is L. Now example number 5. Example number 5. So example 5 is example number 5. What example number 5? Example 5 is if the arc of the same length in two circles given. Suppose this is one circle and this is another circle. If the arc of same length in two circles subtend angle 65 degree and 110 degree, that is length of arc same. Suppose here arc AB and length of arc suppose L. Here also suppose point AB, here also length of arc is L. Length of arc same, and angle made by this arc at the center, it is given. One angle is 65, another is 110. So this angle is 110 and this angle is 65. बिकॉज सर्कल जितना आप बढ़ाते जाओगे तो एंगल उतना ही छोटा होते जाएगा. ठीक है, तो यह रेडियस सपोज कर लिया R1, यह रेडियस सपोज कर लिए R2. क्या फाइंड करना है? फाइंड द रेशियो ऑफ दियर रेडियाई. रेशियो निकालना है, रेडियस का रेशियो निकालना है. लेंथ ऑफ आर्क इक्वल. सो फर्स्ट सपोज लेट R1, और अब कंफ्यूजन ना हो कैसा वो एंगल क्यों चेंज कर दिए. इसमें आप कंफ्यूज कर सकते हो कि एंगल पहले आप यह क्यों किए. चलो इसको हम फिर से बना देते हैं और एंगल फिर से नोट कर देते हैं. आप लोग कंफ्यूज कर सकते हो. लेंथ ऑफ आर्क सेम है, लेंथ ऑफ आर्क सेम ए बी, ये भी लेंथ ऑफ आर्क क्या है L, और सेंटर पे एंगल, फर्स्ट एंगल क्या गिवन है 165. सपोज दिस एंगल बी 65 एंड दिस एंगल बी 110. दिस इट इज सपोज R1 एंड दिस इज सपोज R2. इसमें वो कन्फ्यूजन नहीं होगा कि आप एंगल चेंज क्यों कर रहे हैं. नो प्रॉब्लम, सिंपल ऐसे बना सकते हो. सो एंगल 65 एंड एंगल 110 गिवन एंड फाइंड द रेशियो ऑफ दियर रेडियाई. So first suppose their radius be R1 R2. Let radius of two circles be R1 and R2, and since here theta 1 is equal to 65 degree, convert it into radian form. So for radian multiply by what? Pi by 180. This is radian, and since theta 2 is equal to 110 degree, also convert into radian. So 110 into pi by 180. This is radian. Now since L is equal to, since theta is equal to L by R, so L is equal to R theta. Therefore L is equal to first radius R1, then theta 1, and next L is equal to R2 into theta 2, because length of arc is same. Therefore R1 into theta 1 is equal to R2 into theta 2. Left side equal, so right also equal. Find their ratio. So R1 by R2. R2 taking left side, theta taking right side, so is equal to theta 2 by theta 1, and put value theta 2. What is theta 2? 110 into pi by 180, and theta 1 65 into pi by 180. So this pi by 180 cancel. So 110 by 65 cut from 5. So 13 5 ja, and 5 2 ja 10, again 5 2 ja 10, that is ratio is 22/13. This is the ratio of radii. Example 5 completed. Now exercise 3.1. Exercise 3.1. Find the radian measure corresponding to the degree measure. कन्वर्ट कर देंगे, रेडियन मेजर डिग्री में गिवन है, कन्वर्ट इनटू रेडियन फॉर्म, एग्जाम्पल बता चुके हैं. एंड क्वेश्चन नंबर 2, फाइंड द डिग्री मेजर करस्पॉन्डिंग टू फॉलोइंग रेडियन मेजर, दैट इज कन्वर्ट इट इनटू फाइंड द डिग्री मेजर करस्पॉन्डिंग टू द फॉलोइंग रेडियन मेजर. सो रेडियन मेजर गिवन एंड कन्वर्ट इट इनटू डिग्री मेजर बता चुके हैं क्वेश्चन. तो आप क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 एंड 2 और इधर भी आप ट्राई कर सकते हो. सो एक्सरसाइज 3.1, एक्सरसाइज 3.1 एज ए होमवर्क, इसको आप ट्राई करके आओगे. देन आई डिस्कस फ्रॉम क्वेश्चन नंबर 3. ओके.